Since we just implemented the pre and post increment operators and we have that fresh in our minds, this is a good time to do the compound assignment operators. It turns out that the implementation of these turns out to be very similar to the pre and post increment. So we had an assigned statement class, but that's really not correct because assignments in Java and in Brew are going to be expressions. So assigned statement's been renamed. Now it extends expression instead of statement. And there are reasons for this. There are more reasons to use this in Java right now than Brew, but later on it will make more sense in Brew. Um, this is a common case where you might use this in Java, right? You're reading a line from a file and also checking if it's null. So you're reading the line and assigning it to line, and then also checking if the while loop should stop, right? So this assignment is an expression. It assigns this value, but it also leaves a copy of it on the stack so that we can compare it to null, much like the pre and post increment operators do. There's a new class called assignment operator, which contains all of our assignment operators. There's a new expression, compound assign expression. This is our compound assignment, like plus equal, minus equal. I think there are 5 of those. The code in Brew parser that handled assign statement has been removed. That really was a special case that didn't need to be there. Assign expression should really just be treated like any other binary expression. The only thing that isn't immediately obvious here is that we can combine both assignments and compound assignments into larger expressions, and they also can be used on fields and array elements. So we have some of the same hoops to jump through that we had with the pre and post increment operators. We can assign 3 to z and then that to y and to x as well. We can do y plus equals 3, and then the result of that will be assigned to x. Here we're going to do a plus equals on our field and an object. This will need to assign a value to the field and also leave a copy on the stack to be assigned to x. And the same basic idea here with the array. So we're going to have to handle most of this in the same way we did with the pre and post increment.